Welcome back to the video series. We continue to review the Understanding Construction Drawings textbook. This video is about Unit 33, and that is Lake House Specifications. So this video is the final one of part 2. The next one will be Unit 34, and that will be our part 3, which is multifamily construction urban courts. So here we're going to go through the specs for the lake house, and there are tons of drawings and different graphics. So please refer back to the textbook. So after this unit, we'll be able to find specific information in construction specifications or specs and apply information from specifications to specific construction drawings and how they are intertwined. We will see that too. Construction drawings provide much information about how a building is to be constructed, the positions and sizes of the parts and materials to be used, and some information is more practically recorded in written form, and the construction specifications provide that information. So, for instance, it's not practical to show the grade of lumber to be used for roof framing or to indicate who is responsible for cleanup after construction is finished. So that is not going to be reflected on the drawings. That will go to the specs. And also, we consider specifications that are written separately from the drawings. So let's take a look at the CSI format or the Construction Specifications Institute master format. And this is exactly what is used for the lake house. And usually large and complex buildings can require a lot of information to be conveyed in the specs. And specs for a large commercial construction project can be hundreds of pages. To make it easier to find information, we usually have the divisions, and this is what we are going to go through here. So there are 49 divisions, and they have some of the divisions that are reserved for future expansion. So not all of them are occupied. So let's begin with the first one. So the division 1 is general requirements. Division 2 is existing conditions. Division 3, concrete. Division 4, masonry. Division 5, metals. Division 6, wood, plastics, and composites. Division 7, thermal and moisture protection. Division 8, openings. Division 9, finishes. Division 10, specialties. Division 11, equipment. Division 12, furnishings. Division 13, special construction. Division 14, conveying equipment. And then divisions 15 through 20 are reserved for future expansion. Then we'll continue with division 21, and that is fire suppression. And 22 is plumbing, 23 heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. Then 24 is reserved for future expansion. There is nothing currently in there. Then 25 is integrated automation. 26 is electrical. 27 communications. 28 electronic safety and security. Then 29 and 30 are reserved for future expansion. And 31 is earthwork. 32 exterior improvements. 33 utilities. 34 transportation. 35 waterway and marine construction, and division 36 through 39 are reserved for future expansion. Division 40 is process integration. Division 41, material processing and handling equipment. Division 42, process heating, cooling, and drying equipment. Division 43, process gas and liquid handling, purification and storage equipment. Division 44, pollution control equipment. Division 45, industry-specific manufacturing equipment. Division 46, water and wastewater equipment. 47 is reserved for future expansion, and 48 is electrical power generation. So the format of the specs for the lakehouse is an adaptation of the CSI format, and the major divisions following CSI numbering with unused divisions omitted. So, and also there's a description of the materials needed for work. And let's take a look at how actually we can find a particular part of the construction project in the specifications. So there are a few steps. Step number one is you look up the appropriate division in the table of contents. Then step two, read the work included at the beginning of the division to be sure you have the right division. Step three, find the description of the necessary materials right after the work included. And step four, which is the final step, you read the applicable subsection covering the work you want to do. And all the divisions are structured pretty much the same. So, and you will be able to find that. There are a lot of other resources online. If you would like to learn about that, you can go to the Construction Specification Institute and have and take a look at all the divisions there. And that wraps up our Unit 33. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in Unit 34, and that is our part 3. Thank you.